In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container home in Southwest Washington, United States. This tiny container home in Southwest Washington is a striking example of container home architecture, showcasing the versatility and potential of shipping containers as a building material. This 480 square foot home was constructed using two shipping containers. A 40-foot container and a 20-foot container are stacked on top of each other, sitting on a concrete foundation. The resulting two-story home is on a picturesque homestead boasting a stunning view of the valley. The interior layout of the home is long and narrow, owing to the constrained width of the shipping containers. However, the open-plan living room is spacious and elegantly decorated with various ornaments that add character to the space. The wood floor paired with the chosen furnishings create a beautiful contrast, providing a warm and inviting atmosphere. The lounge area is particularly noteworthy, with a cozy fireplace that serves to heat the room during colder months. A fully functional kitchen is located past the living room, featuring stainless steel appliances, a tastefully finished kitchen backsplash, wood-crafted kitchen cabinets, and a granite counter that double up as a dining table. Off the kitchen is the bathroom. The bathroom is surprisingly roomy, featuring a walk-in shower, a toilet, a wash and basin, and storage cupboards. Behind the bathroom, there is a thoughtfully designed pantry and a walk-in closet. A metal spiral staircase leads to the upper story of the house, which accommodates the master bedroom. The bedroom is outfitted with a king-sized bed, a lounge area, a bookshelf, a TV, and a large window that maximizes natural lighting and extends the bedroom space. The indoor space is further extended to the great outdoors by a full glass door that opens onto a large private patio. The interior of the house is light colored to give the impression that the room is larger and brighter, removing the cramped feeling of living in a container box. The exterior of the home is just as striking as the interior. The two-story shipping container home boasts a lovely orange facade and a little roofed area that covers the beginning of the deck. Which part of this amazing shipping container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. You can check out more details of this amazing home using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.